All right, now this one isn't technically ham radio because it's a GMRS radio, which I don't have a GMRS license, but I'm gonna get one just to kind of see what everything's about. So guys, this is the Retevis HA1G model HA1G. And this is the GMRS radio. Now, I'm a ham guy, and I've never done GMRS, but, you know, hey, figured why not just give it a shot, give it a try, why not? See what's going on. All right, so first off, we're going to get the manual, which is great. Retevis gives you a programming cable, which is not very common in this space. They give you the nice Allowance rig, so that's pretty cool. I like that. That's a nice rig. It feels good in the hand. Feels good, you know, if you're holding it to talk on it. Buttons feel good. Yeah, I like that. I like the way that feels. So, good job, Retevis. You also get the charging base. You're also getting a little hand strap. You're getting an AC, a little USB plug. And then you're also getting one of these plugs. So, I'm probably going to have to buy like a big USB charging thing for all this stuff I got, and then you also get the battery, and then you get the belt clip. So this has everything you need in it for sure to get going on GMRS. It's got you know, it's got the battery, it's got the let me show you that, guys. You can charge that battery right there in the back with USB-C. Love it. Awesome. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put this one back, but if you guys are going to get started in GMRS, I know I'm not a GMRS guy 100%, but I am a radio guy, and if you guys are going to get started in GMRS with radios, I think this Allowance is pretty nice, so yeah. I think that's pretty nice. I haven't used it yet, but I think just based upon that and the quality I'm feeling, I think that gets an A+ for me, considering the price point on that one.